everybody, here we are again. Today we got something special for you. We're gonna make some popsicles, and they're fruit popsicles. Another recipe that you can make with the kids, and this one it's not gonna be cooked or anything, so they can help you all the way from the beginning until the end. It's something that you're gonna enjoy. It has fruits in it. You can use any fruits you like, but I'm going to use mangoes, kiwis, and strawberries, but you can put whatever fruit you would like. And we're going to start by cutting the fruits. Oh, and another thing, today I'm not going to get my hair in the way because I'm going to pick it up. I'm sorry about those videos that my hair was in the way and you couldn't see half of the preparation. So today my hair is going to be out of the way, and I'm going to wash my hand so there won't be any problem with contamination. Okay, so here we go. Okay, hair picked up, hands washed, and here we go. These are the fruits, and I already have the mango. The mango is already cut. I had it cut because I had a whole bunch of mangoes earlier this season, mango season, so I cut a whole bunch of them up and I froze them. So I defrost these and I have them in little chunks, which I'm gonna slice them a little bit, not too many of them, okay? And other ones I'm just gonna cut smaller chunks. So this one's gonna be cut. This one's gonna be sliced. The strawberries are already washed. I washed them really good, but still gonna rinse them a little bit. We're gonna cut the stem. Let me get another plate here, and I'm going to put the strawberries. I'm going to slice them. Thin slices, as thin as you can get them without cutting your finger. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, and these I'm going to chop in little chunks. I might need more later, but we'll see. Little chunks. That's where I'm going to make the pops, and I'm going to put the popsicle stick here. The other fruit that I have are kiwis. But this one is pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and peel the kiwis. Okay, and now we're gonna slice the kiwi. Thin little slices. Like half of the kiwi we're gonna slice, and then the rest we're gonna cut it in chunks. Okay, so that should be good. So this one we're gonna chop to little chunks. Make sure you don't get that little piece which is a little bit hard. Take that off. When I said you can do this with the kids, yes, you can do it with the kids, but not this part of cutting the fruits. Just, you don't want them to cut their little fingers. So we'll put the kiwis right here next to the strawberries. All of the kiwi. We have all the fruits cut up, as you can see here. We have more, just in case we want to make more, which we probably will. Okay, so here we are. The little cups with all the little fruits in there. As you can see, I try to place them as best as I could against the wall of the cups. Some of them have mangoes and other ones just have the kiwis and the strawberry. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the freezer for a few minutes. Okay, so now we're going to make the cream. The cream consists of a blender. If you have a blender, you can use a blender. I don't, so I'm going to use the bullet. Cream consists of 3.5 ounces of cream cheese. So it's about, this is 8 ounces, so it's a little bit more than half. So this is how much we're going to use. Approximately 3/4 ounces of cream cheese. Try to break it up with a spoon. Just to make it easier on the blender. And what you can do better yet, it's like leave out the cream cheese like maybe an hour or hour and a half before using it. Leave it out of the refrigerator. So we're also going to need 1/2 cup of sour cream. 1/2 cup. There we go. 1/2 cup sour cream. Okay, so I'm going to incorporate this in here as well. I'm going to use caramel spread, milk caramel spread. It's also called Dulce de Leche. So we're going to use 3/4 cup of this. And 1/3 cup of regular milk. 1/3 cup. 1/3, it's right here. A little bit over. One-third cup. And last but not least, we're going to put a little bit of vanilla. It's about a teaspoon. There, that should be good. And now we're going to put this in the blender. I'm going to blend all this together. We just scrape the spoon so we can get all the caramel dulce leche. Cover it up, and let's go over here to the blender. Okay, we're gonna scrape this off just to make sure we get all the ingredients mixed good. If you're using a regular blender, this might not happen. But the Dulce Leche is pretty thick, so might be another reason. Okay, so they were in the freezer for 15 minutes. Before, I didn't tell you, but I had to cut up another kiwi and more strawberries. Now we're gonna add the mixture and the rest of the fruits. Okay, so we add a little bit of the mixture, just a little bit. The mixture is delicious with that Dulce Leche. Oh my goodness. You can also, instead of Dulce Leche, you can add condensed milk, strawberry. I cut more strawberries, so in case I needed more. And the ones that I put mangoes against the walls of the cup. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I'm missing two. Okie dokie. Concentrating on something else. There we go. There we go. So now we're still working on the strawberries. Strawberry, okay, we had enough. And now we're gonna add the kiwi. For these little cups, the smaller you cut them, the better it is. Oops. And yes, the best way to do it is with your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. Now we continue the filling process here. Don't fill it all the way to the top because they tend to, when they freeze, they tend to expand like this. Just leave a little bit of room up there. We'll scrape it. We'll scrape it to make sure we have enough. We do. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And yes, we are going to need to scrape it. So we can get this last one. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, so there you have it. So now we're going to put it back in the freezer and we're going to put it in there for half an hour. After the half hour is up, I didn't find the popsicle sticks, so what I did find were the coffee stirrers, which I'm going to show you. These coffee stirrers, so that's what we're going to use. But first we got to put it back in the freezer for half an hour. Make sure that they're a little bit more firm and that the little stick doesn't wobble around. Okay, so here we are. This is the next day. These are totally frozen now. Last night we could not wait and we tried two of them, which they were still not ready, but they were still delicious. So I'm gonna take them out of the cup right now. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try, see if they come out just by themselves. If not, we're gonna try something else. Yes. Just push the bottom and they come out. And here we are. Here you have it. Delicious. I'm gonna try one. so we're gonna put them here. It's not hard for them to come out. They come out pretty easy. You just squeeze the bottom and they come out good. I'm gonna take some of them out because I would want to take a picture. That's perfect. Okay, so there you have them. The pops made with dulce leche and fruits. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my other videos. Stay safe and may God bless you all. Bye bye.